Hello and welcome back to the Shop channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we're exploring cluster picking in Odoo 18, a smart way to fulfill multiple orders in one go. Instead of picking items for each order separately, cluster picking lets you collect products for several orders at once, using dedicated containers. It's a game changer for busy warehouses, handling high volumes and wide range of products. Let's jump in and see how to set it up in Odoo. First, let's enable the features we need. Open the Inventory app and head to Configuration, then Settings. Under the Operations section, make sure packages and batch transfers are enabled. Packages let us manage the containers used for sorting. And since cluster picking is based on batch transfers, we need batch transfers enabled so we can process all these packages together in one go. Now scroll down to the warehouse section and enable storage locations and multi-step rules. Storage locations lets us store products in specific places where they can be picked from. And multi-step rules allow us to use a picking step in the delivery process. Next, we need to make sure our warehouse is using a delivery flow that includes picking. Go to Configuration, Warehouses, choose your warehouse, and under the Outgoing Shipment section, select either 2 steps or 3 steps: pick, pack, and ship. Cluster picking only works if a picking step exists, so as long as your flow has a picking step, you can use cluster picking. Now let's set up the containers we'll use for the cluster pickings. Go to Products, Packages, and create a few packages. This will be used to sort the products during picking. For example, I created 3: Cluster Pack 1, Cluster Pack 2, and Cluster Pack 3. In the package form, set the package use field to reusable box. This way we can reuse the containers safely for future operations. If you prefer to pick directly into the actual shipping boxes, you can select disposable box instead. And if you'd like to see a full walkthrough on creating and managing packages, check out our separate video on that. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now that everything is set up, let's create a cluster batch. From the inventory dashboard, click on the pick card, the first step in our delivery flow. Here you'll see a list of pickings waiting to be processed. Let's say we have 3 ready. Select them by ticking the checkbox in the top left, then click Actions, Add to Batch. In the pop-up window, choose Create a new batch transfer, assign yourself or another user as the responsible person, and hit Confirm. And just like that, all selected pickings are grouped into a single batch. To process the batch, go to Operations, Batch Transfers, and open the new batch we just created. Once inside, click on the Move Smart button at the top. Here you'll see a list of all the detailed operations. Odoo automatically groups products by storage location, which makes it really efficient. You can walk through the warehouse following the best route. Now let's see how this works in practice. As you pick each product, you'll assign it to a destination package based on the sales order it belongs to. So let's start with shelf 1. I'll pick an LED lamp for sales order 1 and assign it to the cluster pack 1. Then I grab another lamp for sales order 2 and assign it to cluster pack 2. Even though both orders need the same product, I only need to pick the lamps once. I can drop each lamp directly into the right cluster pack and sort them immediately while I pick. At shelf 2, I pick a cable management box for sales order 1 and assign it to cluster pack 1, and then another for sales order 3 assigned to cluster pack 3. Finally, at shelf 3, I pick monitor stands for sales order 2 and 3 and assign them to cluster pack 2 and cluster pack 3. So as you can see, I'm sorting the products while I pick, which saves a lot of time later. Once all the picking is done, click Save, go back to the batch transfer, and then hit Validate to confirm the batch is complete. Now let's head back to the inventory dashboard and open the delivery orders that are ready to ship. I'll open one of them, and on the product line, click the Details button to check the stock move details. In the pop-up, you'll see the Pick From field. It shows the reusable cluster pack that was used during picking. If you only want to repack this specific product for delivery, We can assign a package under the destination package column. But if we want to pack everything together, we can just close the pop-up and click Put in Pack at the bottom right. This creates a new disposable shipping package for the order, which you'll now see under the Packages Smart button. Once that's done, go back to the delivery order and click Validate to complete the delivery. And here's the bonus tip. If you want to trace which orders a package has been used for, go to Reporting, Moves History, and group the results by destination package. This shows you all the pickings and deliveries processed with a specific package. It's a great way to track your reusable containers, keep an eye on usage, and maintain accountability in your warehouse operations. And that's how you manage cluster picking in Odoo 18 inventory. It's a simple but powerful method that saves time, keeps your picking organized, and helps your warehouse team work much more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.